Hi, this is me, Claire, and this is my student era bilang isang estudyante. Ito naman, nung nag-pandemic na, tamang video lang sa pag-demo. Yay! Pinning na! Got my pin! And now, this is malapit na kaming i-deploy sa mga fields here with my violet uniform. Yay! Ito na! I finally said yes to my profession. Hey, pictorial. Kala mo naman, graduating with the Filipiniana yes, the day of the graduation, got my diploma. Pero wala naman. Eto na, sasabak na tayo sa pag-review. One of the reasons and one na tumulong talaga sa akin sa pag-review si Sir Melvin Buracha. Anate, kaya pa? Kakayanin. Kahit sa ang anggulo ko tingnan sa kwarto ko, punong-puno ng review materials. Yes, kaya ko yan. That I made cards na eto na. It's prayer. 99% prayer and 1% knowledge. I believe in that. Tambak yan. Yes. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang food. Food is life. The night before the board exam na, konting oras na lang, going to the exam area. After the exam, ito, praying and leaving it to Him. That is my room, yung kwarto ko, yung bed ko, all of it. Kita nyo naman, diba? Punong-puno ng review materials. Since tapos na yung exam, tatanggalin ko na yan lahat. Kasi nga sabi nila, para hindi na bumalik doon at hindi na mag-take ng board exam ulit, tanggalin na natin yan lahat. Dahil hindi na tayo babalik doon. First and last take. Kita nyo naman, kahit saan ko ibali yung mata ko, may review materials. Eto na. Yay! Finally! Claire Mary Asacuña, licensed professional teacher. Did I make it? Yes, I did. At self-review po with the rating of 83.60. Self-review. LPT. Thank you so